So from 1.1 I can see where you took out the common factor, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you took out this common factor, wasalaga x to the power of 6, and then which is minus 4. And then you wrote 4 as 2 to the power of 2, which was correct. Then. So more, I can give you 1 mark for what you did here. So you said 2 to the power of 2. Okay, how many marks? Let's see already how many marks. Okay, 2 marks. So I can give you 1 out of 2 for the first one. So you're not done. You had to factorize this one. This is the difference of 2 squares. Why one? The 6 is actually a change 6 here 3 times 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a difference of 2 squares. So now the final answer was supposed to be something like x to the power of 3 plus 2, and then x to the power of 3 minus 2. This was supposed to be your final answer after factorizing this one. So now let's look at question A based in question 1.1.2. We're going to factorize by grouping of terms. We're going to group force in purple together. So it's negative x, it's y minus negative x plus x minus y all cubed. And then remember, this is y minus x, is not x minus y. And then x minus y. So we will take out negative as our common factor. After taking out the negative, the x will become positive, and the y will
become negative.
The y will become negative. Then we can see that there are 2 terms. There are 2 like terms. We can take them out. X minus y is our common factor, and then taking out y is our common factor. More rosalaga if we take x minus y is our common factor. Negative 1, right?
Okay.
Negative 1 plus, and then this one yoba
x minus y squared.
Minus y squared. Why one?
Okay.
And then we are also not done here. For this one here, we can rearrange it. We can as x minus y all squared minus 1. Remember, it's minus 1 and so this is also a difference of 2 squares. Why one?
Because okay, I understand.
Difference
of 2 squares.
Difference of 2 squares. So we can factorize also this one as x minus y minus 1 and x minus y plus 1.
Minus 1 plus 1.
Difference of. Remember, this is remember 1 is the same as 1 squared. So it's also a difference of 2 squares, and then we can put this one. Remember, this one thing as x minus y. So this is your 4 marks.
What about so you combine those y and x and you group them together?
Yeah, drop them together. Remember, continue.
You put x as the first point so you can remove the negative.
Yeah.
And choose the other y, the y to a negative.
Yeah.
So it can be a common factor.
Yes. This part, let's look at this question. I want to see did you get it right or not. Just want to see.
Okay.
Let me look at it. You got it wrong.
Yeah, I got it wrong.
Yeah, you got it wrong. So kahle here, when they say simplify, whenever you see something saying simplify, ne? And then when you're seeing this squared here, you have to expand. The first thing that you have to do, expand the brackets first. So we have to expand these two brackets into two brackets. And then over. And then now, after expanding, what comes into your mind? What comes into your mind?
After expanding, we're gonna simplify it again.
Simplify, right? Using FOIL method. This one will multiply this, and this one will multiply that. Yofang. What is x? What is x to the power of 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2?
Let me see. 1 to the power. Times. Two. It's 1.
It's 1.
X. It's x. I mean.
It's x.
They cancel each other.
They cancel each other, so it's x. And then what is x to the power of 1 over 2 times negative 3?
X to the power. It's gonna be 3x to the power of 1 over 2.
To the power of 1 over 2. 1 over 2 again. And then what is this one times this one?
It's still minus 3x to the power of 1 over 2.
To the power of 1 over 2.
It's minus
1 over 2. And then what is negative 3 times negative 3?
It's 9.
Positive 9. Correct. And then now we're also not done. We can see like terms, right?
Yes.
So what is negative 3x to the power of 1 over 2 and negative 3x to the power of 1 over 2?
Let me check. Oh, we're adding them.
Yeah, we're adding them.
So it's gonna be negative 6x to the power of 1 over 2.
Negative x, 6x to the power of 1 over 2. And then plus 9, remember it's plus 9. And then
yes.
an x. Well, did you get it? Let's see. No, this one you didn't get it.
No.
Didn't get it. So
I rushed to the...
You rushed to multiplying, right? You rushed to multiplying.
On
2.4.
I actually got lost here.
I can see you got Mara. Not that bad. Not that bad. It's not that bad. It's actually not that bad. I like the fact that you actually tried it, bruh. You actually tried it. Let's see it. Let's see, Uti, where did you get lost? Nah. Let's see this one.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, you factorized this one. Your factorization was correct for here. For this one. Your factorization was x
minus 4.
Minus 4 and
the other one was 2x plus 3.
2x plus 3. And then let's see, this one times this one is 8. It's 3 minus 8, which is 5, which is correct. And then negative 11. And then remember, and also this one, you have to factorize it in order for it to how did you factorize it? How did you factorize it?
I did the
negative sign, Nanger. Yaba positive, so yaba 1 over x.
1 over x minus 4.
Minus 4. And then we're going to take out the
common factor.
The common factor. What's our common factor?
X minus 4.
X minus 4. And
2x plus 3.
2x plus 3. And then obviously this one will divide this one rasalaga negative 11, right?
Yes.
And then this one will divide this one rasalaga ka plus 2x. plus 3, right?
Yeah.
And then now, what did you do from here? I want to hear from you.
Okay. What I did, I actually multiply it instead of adding it.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, you actually multiply. Remember, it's a plus. You were misled by this plus here. It's plus. So this was supposed to be 2x. And what is negative 11 plus 3? It's negative what?
Negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8.
Negative 8. And then factorize. This one will be... Okay, let's remove this part. Let's remove this part and write. This is 2x minus 8.
Yeah.
The numerator. So we'll take out the common factor. What is the common factor here from 2x minus 8?
2.
It's 2.
It's 2.
And then Rosalagang ka x. X minus 4, right?
Yeah.
X minus 4. And then we can see with x minus 4 actually cancels.
Yes.
And then after cancelling, what is our final answer?
2 over 2x plus 3.
Plus 3. This is our final answer. This is a simplified form.
What?
D is equals to negative 11.
Start by getting the x value by taking the thing that
It's a
which is
thing.
the question. So we can explain. I took 3x plus 2, then equated it to 0. Then I transposed plus 2 to the other side.
Okay.
So it can become negative. Then divided it. X was equals to negative 2 over 3. Then took the whole graph and equated it to 0.
And then you got your D equals to negative 11, right?
Yes.
And then you can actually, let's check is your answer correct, ne?
Okay.
It's x squared minus 11x minus 10. And then let's factorize it and see whether you are correct or not. Let's factorize it. What are the factors? The factors will be 5 and 2.
Yeah.
And then?
I didn't factorize it.
Let's factorize it together. You don't have to stress. Let's factorize it together.
Okay.
Let's factorize it together. The factors of 10 are 5 and 2, right?
Yes, 5 and 2.
And then the factors of 6 will be
3 and 2.
3 and 2. 3 and 2. Now, we have to check whether these factors are giving us 11 or not. Ne? Now, let's check.
Okay.
2 times 2 is what? It's 4, right?
It's 4.
And then 2 times 5 is 15.
It's 15.
15. And then we are supposed to get what? Negative 11.
Negative 11.
So the 15 has to be what? Negative, and the 4 has to be positive, right?
Negative. Yes.
In order to get 11. So this one will be negative, and this one will be positive. And we put our x here, and the other x here. And we can see that this is actually the factor. There it is there. It is actually the factor. So your answer is correct.
Okay.
So D is actually 11. You're actually correct. You nailed it, man. You killed it.
Then
what's your x and what's the other x? So
my x is 1 over 3.
The x is
or negative 2.
100. 1 over 3 or 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2, right? Negative 2, sorry. Negative 2. 100. 100. So now, into this lesson, we'll continue our question paper here. I'm just going to continue with this question paper. We'll be looking at 2.1.2. I want you to try 2.1.2. Try it on. I want us to do this question together. So it's actually for this one. we're going to expand. We're going to expand this part here. We have to expand this part.
I did.
So we're going to have 3 to the power of x minus 2, and then times
3 to the power of x times 3
to the power of negative 1 equals to 3.
Negative 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because
I heard you see the negative 1.
I heard you saying plus 1. I'm like, nah. This guy is it's totally
minus 1.
It's minus 1. Eh? So now we have to take. We can see, Uchi, there is a common factor here. Can you see the common factor?
Yes.
Did you take it out? So it's 3x or to the power of, open bracket,
1
minus 2 times
1
times 3 to the power, times 1 times 3 to the power
times 3.
Okay.
Yes.
Equals to 3.
That's not equals to. It says minus 1.
Where?
On 2.1.2.
Yeah.
Isn't it minus 3?
It's equals to 3. Can you see it?
Clearly, okay. Maybe that's why it's darker.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see.
Equals to 3. Try it for the last time and see.
Okay. My final answer is x equals to 0.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, the mic was off, so yeah. So
I said my final answer was x equals to 0.
X equals to 0. Okay. So we wanted to see whether you are correct or not, right? So can you punch this thing on your calculator and tell me what are you getting?
I get negative 1 over 3.
Negative 1 over 3. Are you sure it's negative?
Okay, no, I don't think so.
Check that. Check. It's supposed to be positive 1 over 3.
The mass.
It's brackets first, right?
Then I have to multiply before I minus.
Yeah. But always, every time, check. Just try to simplify what is inside the brackets first. Simplify everything that is inside the brackets first. And then after punching that on your calculator, you're getting 1 over 3, right? And then divide both sides by 1 over 3. And then what are you getting?
It's gonna be.
You're getting
1, 3. The other side is gonna be 9.
The other side is gonna be 9.
Right, it's gonna be 9.
It's gonna be 9. Okay, this is equals to 9. Now.
Not okay. Yeah.
9. So now we're solving for x. We're going to change the 9 into an exponent. How would you change 9 into an exponent?
3 squared.
3 squared. So what is your x?
My x equals to 2.
Your x is equals to 2. Can you see it? Yeah.
And the problem I did here is because I didn't follow the Bodmer's rule.
Yeah. Always follow the Bodmer's rule, especially when it comes to exponents. So now, just try 1.2. Let us do 1.2. Can you see what's happening on 1.2? Inequalities.
So for x inequality.
Yes.
So what do I do this one? Do I transpose the 1 to the side, like solving for x.
Yes, 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 you get the idea.
-3.
Let's go. The answer is what?
That from the left side is going to be -3.
-3.
And the right side is going to be -6.
-6.
This
So,
side is going to be x.
so what are the signs? Less than or greater than?
At the right side it says x is less than -6 and equivalent to -3.
-3. Less than, less than, less than, less than.
Less than -6.
Okay, let's see whether you are correct or not. So the first thing you transposed this one to the right, right? You got -2, right? And then you also transpose this side, you got what, 4, right?
Oh, I did a mistake. It's equivalent to 3.
3, ne? 3.
Equivalent to 3.
Okay, this side was 3 and the other side was negative. Okay, let's do it together and see. So it's less than or equals to?
Less than equals to x over 3.
And less than, right? So now you cross multiplied and then, well, this was negative. This was negative. Minus 3. And then you cross multiplied wakrang -6, right? And then less than or equals to -2x. And then after cross multiplying again, you got 12 this side, right? Now here comes the tricky part. Here comes the tricky part. When we are dividing with a negative, the signs change. I hope you understand what I'm saying. When we are dividing, remember we are dividing with -2 all the sides, right? When we are dividing with a negative sign, this sign actually will reverse, will change to that direction. And this side will be 3x, and this side will be greater than -6. We change the signs.
Okay.
And then now we are not done. We are not done. Eh? Every time when it comes to inequalities, the smaller number, it's always on the left side, and the bigger number is always on the right side. Which one is the bigger number between the two numbers?
The bigger number is 3.
The bigger number has to come this side, and this one has to come that direction. And then when we are swapping them, the signs change again. This one will become less than x, and this one will become less than or equals to 3. Remember, we swiped everything. We changed everything to that direction, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So the signs also change when you are shifting things. So this is your final answer. Out of 3 marks, this is what you have to get. So this is 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for here.
I almost got it. The signs, I didn't change the signs.
Yeah, you have to change the signs, and then everything will be fine. Now, 2.2.2, write down the number of integers that will satisfy the inequalities. Write down the number of inequalities that will satisfy this. Then how many inequalities will satisfy the number of integers? The number of integers that will satisfy the inequality. Do you understand it?
No.
Okay, you don't get it.
I know integers, but I satisfy the inequality.
So what are integers? What are integers?
Basically numbers like -1 plus +1.
Yeah, +1, -1, -6, -12, all these numbers, right?
Yes.
So like we're going to draw a number line. Ne? We're going to draw a number line. Remember, x is in between -6 to 3, right? We're going to put the numbers from -6 to 3. So we'll put them here in a row form. Going to put them. Let's just put them here. -6 to 3, right?
Yes.
But this time, when you see this sign, ne? And this sign here. This one actually tells us that this 3 has to be included. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
It has to be included. It has to have a dot on top.
Yeah, it has to have a dot on top of this 3. But this 6 doesn't have a dot. It is only just a circle.
Yes.
It is only just a circle. This one is not included, but the 3 is included. You understand?
Why is it negative 6 not included?
Because it doesn't have an equal sign. It's not less than or equals to. So it's not included in this number line. The negative 6 is there just to restrict us, but it's not included. It's not included. That's why it's only just a circle, but it's not shaded. So we'll count the numbers from negative 5 up until 3 and tell me how many integers are there.
It's 95, 94, 93, 96, 91, 0, 1, 2, 3. 9.
So we have 9 integers. 9 including integers. Did you see how we got it?
Yes. Yeah. I understand how we got it.
Yes. So now let's look at this one. Solve for x and y.
Simultaneously. So
okay.
1 equals to -1.
-1.
And x equals to 5.
X equals to 5. Okay, let's check it out. So the first equation that you did.
Well, it made y the subject of x the subject of the formula.
So your x was equals to
4 minus y. 4 plus y.
4 plus y.
Yeah.
And then you substituted the x here, right, into this equation, right?
Yes.
And then you got 4. You multiplied by 10, right?
Yes.
All over. Okay, let's see.
So do I multiply even the other side, the right side?
Yeah, you multiply everything. If you're multiplying everything. You have to multiply everything. Yeah?
Can I do it one more time?
Yeah, do it one more time.
First of y equals to 7.
Y equals to 7.
Now I have to find x.
You'll find your y equals to 7. Which is correct. Your x is equals to? What is your x equals to? Oh, okay. You just have to substitute it here. Let me show you something. Just substitute it here. In this equation here. In this equation. Yeah, just substitute it there. It's simple. Just substitute it there and find it. It's 11. Your x is 11. Done and dusted. Done and dusted. So I want to give you a homework. Ne? I want to give you a homework.
Okay.
It's from June. This question paper is from June 2022, grade 10. So I want to see which question can I give to you. You're going to do these questions. Question 1, the whole of question 1. And then let me see something here. And you're also going to do question 2. Question 1 and question 2.